Hello everyone, Olivia here, and for today's video, let's do a reading for Libra para sa kanilang monthly energy update this August. Again, this one's for Libra, so if you have Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and Saturn placements or may prominent, madami kang Libra sa iyong chart, natal chart, birth chart, this video might be for you. Tingnan natin kung ano ang messages, guidance, advice for you this August. But before anything else, I would like to say thank you sa mga new subscribers, followers ng ating social media accounts. Your engagements, your presence are appreciated as always. Thank you everybody. Let's see. And for those naman na gusto ng free readings with me, I am more active sa SOCMED ng TikTok. Yun, sa kingdom ng TikTok. But yeah, let's do this for you, Libra, and of course don't forget to subscribe, follow, leave any comments, likes, and it would be helpful for us to continue. Thank you. Let's see, you can also leave ng mga suggestions, anything sa comment sections para mapa-improve pa natin ang mga videos. And pwede ka man mag-resonate dito, check nyo yung other videos for your other placements. Pwedeng may messages doon for you. We got the Emperor, Queen of Cups, Ten of Cups, King of Swords, the Strength card. Let's try to i-fit lahat sila sa camera. Anyway, for your first 5 cards, habang nagsashuffle ako intuitively, I heard the word top. Pero for some of you, pwedeng may malaking celebration because nag-top ka sa exams, mas sa iba't ibang performance sa office, sa work, or naging top seller ka sa TikTok, sa iba't ibang social media platforms, or sa company na pinagtatrabahuan mo. Maring, ayun, maging good news yun for your August. Let's see, what else? The Sun, Queen of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, the Judgment card, Four of Swords rather. What else for Libra? Libra. Nine of Swords, Page of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. Lastly, we have Page of Swords. Ayun. Again, this video is for Libra. So, yeah, let's see kung anong mga messages for you here. Gaya ng nasabi ko kanina, you might feeling more confident sa pagpasok ng month ng August. Pwedeng maramdaman mo siya last or second to the last week of July. But most importantly, this is pre-August energy. So, yeah. Meron din ako nakikita dito na maaaring magkaroon ka ng another celebration. Could be birthday, could be another milestones, achievements na unlock mo. And for some of you here, there's also marriage. Like, union here. Pwedeng, basta highlighted yung celebration sa celebratory or festive energies for you, Libra. And meron din ako nakikita dito, mas makakaramdam ka na ng balance na yung lahat. But even though my throat is bumabara, could be kahit na celebratory or festive yung energy mo, may mga pinili kang wag mo nang sabihin. Maybe you have a lot of plans na ikaw lang nakakaalam or only few people lang nakakaalam. For some of you here naman, highlighted din dito ang physical change. And for some of you, pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng change sa hairstyles, sa length ng hair or iksi or haba ng hair. And for some of you here are like social media personalities or trying to build an audience sa social media, which is good naman kasi there's also a progress here. There's an income coming in related to that. So, focus nyo lang yan. And ang advice dito or maybe warnings dito is take some time to really conceptualize everything before mo siya i-share in public. Take some time to look at the tiniest or yung pinakamaliit na details from this kind of plan mo. But do not overthink everything. Try mo rin i-enjoy yung process kaysa sa i-overthink and maging perfect agad-agad. Kahit first video mo pa lang or first set pa lang ng videos mo, parang gusto mo na agad like perfect, like seamlessly. Of course, could be that's possible naman kasi sino bang gusto na makalat na videos. But ayun, just enjoy the process. Take some time to really appreciate what you already earn na. Alam mo, what you already have, what you already got na. And for some of you here, mas magkakaroon kayo dito ng increase when it comes to audiences, income, and alam mo yung mas magiging visible ka sa public eye. And for others of you, mas magkakaroon ng harmony when it comes to family, especially sa father figure or masculine figure. And for some of you here as well, meron ako nakikitang bag. Bag for me intuitively is a symbol or a sign that there is you might change your location or you might receive something na malaking halaga, or could be magpa-purchase ka ng very expensive things, a vacation. For some of you, very highlighted din yung money, yung career mo. So, just do not overthink everything. Have fun, but don't forget the tiniest details. Maging maingat, masinop. And of course, once you've decided to cut a connection here, Libra, you have to be assertive when it comes to that decision para hindi ka paulit-ulit. Kung gusto mo halimbawa gusto mo nang palitan yung mga tao mo sa coffee shop mo or makapag-break sa partner mo, be decisive about it para hindi siya nagiging cause of stress mo. And if you really wanna work out when it comes sa relationship, could be in a relationship ka man or nasa getting to know stage or even friendship stage, important dito yung pagkakaroon ng open line sa communication. Hindi lang open mouth but open mind and heart. Allow yourself to not like absorb, but to listen carefully, wholeheartedly sa discussions na maaari kang mag-involve when it comes to your relationship. And other than that, this is your reading leader Libra. I hope makatulong and see you on your next video. Bye!